Hey guys, what up? Thanks for clicking on my video. So this video is, I don't really have much to show you in this video. I'm just going to show you the capacitor install that I did. I tried to make a whole video doing it, but I ended up messing up the footage. So I'm sorry about that. Anyways, I'm just going to show you real quick what I did, how I hooked my wires up, and also how I discharged my capacitor and then recharged it. So let's go ahead and get out of the truck real fast. Try not to slip on the ice. Super cold out here, but it's a beautiful day. Alright, so this is what I did to hook it up. My main ground for the monoblock and the capacitor runs to here, and then it goes to a distribution block, and then from the distribution block it goes into the capacitor. So in order to hook a capacitor up, you have to charge it first. In order to charge it, you can either use a test light or you can use a light bulb. Sometimes they come with a light bulb. So you'll hook it all up. Of course, keep in mind you don't want to have any power going to your distribution block at the time. You want to unhook the fuse from your distribution block, or from your under the hood fuse. Unhook it, hook all your wires up, and then you want to take your light bulb, and let me show you guys. I don't have the light bulb or a test light, but you guys will pretty much get the picture of what you'll do. Alright, so this fuse right here will be unhooked, and you'll want to get a light bulb, the one that comes with it, or your test light, and to charge it you'll hook the light bulb or the test light. If it's a test light, the alligator clip will clip here or over here to the positive side of the battery, and then the other end will go here. And then once the light on the test light goes completely out, it means it's charged, because the way the cap works is once it gets its full charge, it turns off and quits drawing power. So now to discharge it, it's very similar, only you'll discharge it here. So you'll hook your test light here and your power here, and then you'll wait until the light goes out. Once the light goes completely out, it means it's discharged. So alright guys, here we go. Like I said, you're doing this as your own risk. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just just like you. I don't know what I'm doing. I just look stuff up and see for myself. So nice. So the light's red. So when the light goes completely out, it's supposed to be completely discharged. So we'll see. If it doesn't discharge this way, we can let the system bump a little until it finally goes completely out. And but I think the light's dimming. Hope you guys can see that. I hope that makes sense to you guys. I could try to do another video on it soon. I don't have my test light with me or a light bulb to actually show you guys fully, but I didn't have any content today to give you guys, so I figured I would do that and kind of explain what I did. So if you're looking for any kind of questions, or if you have any kind of questions, just leave them in the comments down below, and I'll try to answer the best I can. So hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like and subscribe button, and don't forget to leave a comment if you have a question. I'll be very eager to answer any questions. And I hope everyone has a great day. God bless, and thank you. That I had to run inside and get some screws because I didn't have none in my truck. So if you look at this truck, that needs to be redone. Alright, here we go. Finish where we left off. Oh! Fell. Big fell. And that's how that got broke. It was locked and my fiance tried to open it. Oh man, oh man, something's on fire. Probably my subs in a good way. These subs are on fire. Alright, here we go. Come on, vámonos. Everybody, let's go. Straight down into the carpet. I know what you guys are thinking. How would you do that to your vehicle? Because how else am I going to mount it and make it stay? Glue it down, but the glue would just come up. Ugh. Oh, shit. Ugh. Just... Do I want to make them all symmetrical? No, I'll just put one right here. Alright guys, so what you want to do is grab the end of your alligator clip and clip it. You can clip it down here like so, and you can, you want to hook your test light up to this side right here. You see how that light came on? I don't know if you could tell or not. Let me put it like